What's happening, mi gente? Louie the Boiler here. Guys, we're here in Westbury, New York, guys. So this job is a little bit different because this one hits me in the heart, guys. So what I'm talking about is that we're working with a customer and his dad is not feeling well. He's sick and he just came back from the hospital and he needs water, meaning hot water, guys. Hot water is an essential. So today, listen, he's going through a rough time and that's okay. We're here to help. So I told him, listen, in the meantime, till you get your things together and take care of dad, we're going to take care of the hot water. So what did we do? We did a temporary hot water heater. So let me show you real quickly. So guys, this is what you got to do to help the customer and help people out. So sometimes you got to improvise. So you guys can see, we ran the cord all the way to the panel box. Show you quickly over there. That's right, guys. All right, guys, so this is what I'm talking about. So we just put a temporary breaker right here. All right, let's go over here. Go to where the hot water heater's at. And guys, this is very important when I talk about as far as making sure you're clean and safety. So we make sure we get the line here, we taped it up so nobody trips over it. So I'm gonna show you, come on. So yes, we got a temporary line and then we got the temporary hot water heater in the crawl space, which is right over there. You guys see it? Yeah, right there. That's right, come. All right, guys, so this is what I mean. So listen, you gotta do what you gotta do. So this one is very, very important to me because I leave nobody left behind with no hot water. I don't care, I do whatever it takes. And this is what I gotta do, I'm gonna do it. So in this case, we have to wait for the boiler because he does wanna move forward with the boiler. In this case, we're gonna install a Navien. However, he's just not ready for it right now, but he needs to take care of that first, and that's exactly what we're here to help. And that's what it is. So guys, if you know somebody who's in need and needs help them out because that's the right thing to do, guys. And sometimes you gotta put our egos, our money to a private business to a side because now it's not even about this. It's about the person that needs help. So that's what we're here to do, to help him out and to just buy some time. So when he gets his stuff together, his personal things going on, hey, we're here to install the combi boiler. Then you have heat and hot water. But right now, heat is not an importance right now because we're about to go into summer. So we don't need heat now. We need hot water. So guys, if you have any problems, call Louie the Boiler, 516-377-5220. Wepa.